Granville GB Model R. Racing aircraft made by Granville Brothers Aircraft in Massachusetts. Length, 17 feet 8 inches wingspan, 25 feet height, 8 feet 2 inches gross weight, 2,415 pounds. Maximum speed, 294.38 miles per hour. Range, 925 miles. Piloted by Jimmy Doolittle, the R-1 won the 1932 Thompson Trophy race. Set FAI World Land Plane speed of 296 miles per hour. In 1932, R-2, identical to the R-1, was built with a smaller power plant, Pratt & Whitney R985. In 1935, Allen started the 2,043 miles, Burbank to Cleveland Bendix Trophy race. The R-1 crashed and instantly killed the pilot. After this final crash, the aircraft was never rebuilt.